You can add custom values here as well. You can make the link clickable. I'll just put in the video test one and there we go. Or you can do Vimeo, or you can do Vistia, or you can do an upload. You can do Loom too. Alright guys, welcome back to another video in the Go High Level Overview series. So in this video guys, we're going to be talking specifically about how you can create email and SMS templates inside Go High Level, how many types of templates there are, and how you can utilize those in your campaigns, okay? So without any further delay guys, let's start. First of all, log into your CRM, okay? And then go into the marketing section. The moment you enter the marketing section guys, you'll see options here for emails and templates, and another section here for template snippets. Okay, I'm going to be explaining in just a second what is the difference between both of these. So first of all, I'll start with the template snippets. Okay, so template snippets are basically text snippets which you can use in your day-to-day correspondence. Okay, so there are two types of snippets. One is a text snippet and the other one is an email snippet. Okay. I'm going to be showing you how to set those up right now. So first of all, we're going to be setting up the text snippet, and by the way, this will be used for your SMS correspondence, okay, or your WhatsApp correspondence, depending on which text medium you use. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to name it. So my name is video test, and I'm going to put in the value. Hey, this is test, and then I can put in from. Yeah, I mean, this looks fine. It should be small, but like, so this will be the text snippet. Okay, you can add custom values here as well. For example, you can put in the full name, you can put the first name, last name, email, phone number, all of those. Okay, or you can put in a value from a custom field from so of the contact that you're going to be sending this SMS to. So I'm just going to put in full name. Full name. Hey, this is a test from Sal. Okay. Now, if you want to test it, now you can put in a number here and you can send it to that phone number specifically to test it to see how it actually looks on phone, okay? I'm not going to be testing it now, I'm just going to be saving it. So this is, we have a text template saved. Now I'm going to be creating another snippet for email. Okay, so the name is going to be video test and the subject line is going to be this is a test so, okay. And so yeah, I'll just put in the body of the email, hey, to connect with you guys. Just put in thanks or whatever. Okay. Now you have these options to format. Okay, so you can select the font here. So this is going to be Arial Black. This one is going to be, you can set the size. So either it's 11 or 12. 12 is fine, or you can select what type it is. So I want to make a heading, so I'll just make it a heading. Though it looks bad, I'll just turn it back there. But again, then we can remove all this formatting that we just did, but I don't want to. But if you do, you have this option here, or the undo option. So if you click here, so you can undo the format, and then you can have types of formats that you have. And, you can just select this, and based on that, you can change it from here too, which is totally up to you guys if you want to do it. Then we have the alignment section here. Align left, align center, align right, or justify, whichever you prefer. Or if you want to convert it into bullets, you can do that too. If you want to change the design of the bullets, so yeah, you can do that too here. Or the disc, or the square. You can also put a numbers list here. If you want to do the lower alphabetic, lower Greek, Roman. Alphabetic again, but this time caps lock, and then Roman again. Totally up to you guys how you want to do it. And then you can add links too. I'm just gonna remove this formatting here. I don't need Romans or this justification. Let me just change it. Yeah, cool. And then you can put in a link to whatever you want. You can make the link clickable. Okay, and then you can put in an image, whichever you prefer. Mostly people like to put in an image of someone waiting for them, or a GIF. Totally up to you guys how you want to do it. And you can also change the text color. So yeah, if you want to do it red, that's fine too. But black is standard, so everyone likes it. I'm just gonna stick to black then. And then you can change the background color of the entire the text that you select, which I don't like, to be honest, so I'm just gonna stick to no background color here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna do video test by email I'm gonna name it this and I'm gonna save it. Now we have these snippets saved inside the template section. Okay, so one thing, let's say I'm in a conversation with anyone. Let's just take this contact for example. Okay, now I'm in conversation with them, and let's say I want to send them something quickly. Okay, so I just click on insert template, and I have all of these templates. Okay, so I'm just going to do video test. So video test will work here, and as you can see, it's attached automatically. That's how you can do this in correspondence for email. If you want to do it for SMS, then I just go in here, click on insert, and it will show me all of the SMS templates. So I just put in the video test one, and there we go. So yeah guys, that's how you can make the snippets. Now what the second template, the second section of this video is how to create the graphical template, okay, for the email specifically. All right, so for that guys, go into marketing, go into emails, click on templates. Okay, when the template section opens, click on new, and now you have an option, either you create it from blank, okay, or you create from, you know, the email marketing templates that are already there. So I'll just click on blank templates. So number one option is, you know, I do it from the design editor. I write code for it. This is super complex guys, don't go into this. Even I don't prefer, because this allows you to do everything from drag and drop, and then simple plain text editor. This is much similar to the snippets that we were using. I'll get to that in a minute in slightly more detail, but first let me show you how this one works, because this is my favorite and the most important by far. Okay, so here we have the template guys. I'm just gonna do graphic template by Sal, just to show you. Okay, and now we have these options to put in elements here. So I'll just put in an element text. This is, you can see heading and subheading. You can put in here. Then I can put in a section for image. I can put in whichever image I want in the email template. Let's just create a nice template right now. So I'm just gonna put a logo at the top. Okay, and yeah, that's fine. Logo already selected from, you know, or like if you want to change this, and I'll just like upload from media library, and I'll just use this one. I will this. Yeah, this looks fine. I'll just use this, and I'm just typing the heading. Tired of not seeing clearly. We got you. We got you covered. Okay, and now, you know, this can be a heading, or like, let's just center align this a little bit to make it slightly more beautiful. So I'll just do it like this. Sorry. Yeah, this looks not nice, but like simple enough. So yeah, now I'm gonna add an image here. So I'm gonna add an image of some person who is doing well with. Oh, this looks nice. And let the image load. Okay, yeah. Now I'm just gonna put a picture here about a person who's getting our specialized doctors help you attain the best glasses. The best glasses for you. Yeah, something like that. I'll help you attain the best glasses. Help you attain the best eye care. Let's just do eye care. Yeah. So yeah, and then we'll see another person being diagnosed by a doctor, which looks nice. At the same time, guys, this is not optimal. I'm just making these things up from the top of my head. So if you feel that you can do better, I know you can do better. Just do it, okay? And then this one, this is logo. I'll put in another section now. Put in for. Let's just say I'm gonna put in. So we either put in more text here, you know, explaining a little bit more about the surveys. You can just chat GPT this one down the line, and then down I can put in a video of someone getting treatment from a doctor. Again, you can upload this video from the media library, okay, or you can use it from YouTube. Okay, totally up to you guys. If you add the link to the YouTube video here, it will send that video as a link to that person. Okay, or you can do Vimeo, or you can do Vistia, or you can do an upload of it. You can do Loom too. Which is really cool, because if you want to do a VSL, just record it on a Loom and paste it here. Okay, perfect. And then guys, one more section that I really like is the socials. So every business needs to add their socials, right? So if you get an email and they're like really interested, you know, they'll click on these social icons, and here's what you can do with them. When you click here, click on the social section right there, click on the Facebook one, and just add the URL to your Facebook page here. Okay, then do the same for Instagram, same for X, same for Pinterest, and same for LinkedIn. Okay, cool. And then one more section that people like to add. So one thing I see missing in this email is a CTA. Okay, let's say you write an entire copy and the video is really good and person wants to convert right there. So all of your emails should have a CTA, okay, call to action button. And I just added one here. So this can lead to either a calendar, like, you know, book a call here. And you can make the calendar in high level. I just showed you how to do that in the previous videos. So yeah, you can add the link to that calendar here. And whenever someone clicks on this button, they will go to that calendar and then they can book a time with you. Or this can go to a form or a website page, anything with a URL. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much it, guys, about the builder. We'll go into that in detail in the videos to come, but again, this is just an overview series, so I'm not going to be touching upon all of the features that we have here, but just to show you that this video is just to show you that this is the possibility of the email template. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you like what you see, please do comment and like, and stay tuned for the next video, because we'll be talking about how to set up your entire website and landing pages inside Go High Level. Alright guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.